started at 11:30 and now it is 1:30. Not bad. Not bad at all. So, yeah, hopefully get rid of this disgusting humidity. Do you think it's humid in here? Just a little bit, right? 92. It's gonna rain in here. It's so bad. Yeah, always very cold, very warm during the winter. Had to do something. Very difficult to put up only because I'm a one-man show, as usual in life. I actually use this to prop this up. I wanted to put it up over, I really wanted to put it up over the floor, and I had this extra wood. I says, let me create the shelf. Now the air is coming this way, which I'm very happy about. And I mean, then it kind of gets a little thinner down here. So I bought PVC, and just to kind of run it down into this drain system here. So I'll do too. Like this, just to kind of keep it propped. Gotta get rid of this. So this was here. These things just don't cut it. It's unable to do anything. It really is. Maybe in a room or something like that, but definitely not for this basement. Now I gotta clean up. It's kind of messy down here, even though I'm really never here. But I like to keep things very nice and tidy because, hey, why not? You should. Got to put those back in the corner. But yeah, I'm kind of curious to see if it could get rid of that terrible smell within the whole house. So the problem, from what I have read, is that if your house feels kind of moldy and stinky or whatever, it has a lot to do with the basements, which you would never think. I wouldn't think that. And keep in mind, look, there's no insulation down here. But it always does, at least for the flooring. Yeah, it's everything spray foam, which is nice. But if you look up, there's the floor. I mean, this townhouse really wasn't built very well. But let's see, already down to 90. And I left a little bit of the clear tube. This way I see what's going on, which I definitely do. You know what I have to do now? I definitely have to put a, let's see if I have it in here. Probably in the other, oh, there it is. And I just check. No, wrong way. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust these feet because look, the level is totally wrong.